Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Good morning, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Sunday, Renew Your Spirit Day. We have a 2-layer cake. First layer is routines, but not 5. No, we don't have laundry today. We don't have paper today. Three things. Morning routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. That's it. That and our second layer of the cake is Renew Your Spirit Day. So, first thing you want to do is set expectations last night, right? Hopefully you do. I talk about it a lot. If I didn't yesterday, I apologize. If this is the first time you've seen this, then you'll know. On Saturday nights, you set expectations. Tomorrow we're going to services or we're going to church. And by the way, if you do celebrate on Saturday or worship on Saturday and not Sunday, just flip this around and make the opposite day your family fun day, okay? But this is basic instruction. So we're going to remind our family the day before that we're going to services the next day, we're going to worship, we're going to church, and we're going to wear this, and we're going to eat this, and we're going to go for so long, and then we're going to do this, and we're going to do that. So we're going to, here's an example. We're going to get up in the morning, you're going to wear your dress, you're going to wear your pants and your button-down shirt, or you're going to wear shorts and your polo shirt, whatever it is you choose for your children to wear, and that's appropriate for your services. And then we're going to have breakfast. I'm going to make cereal because we're going to be in a hurry, or we're going to have a big breakfast because mass isn't till 11 or whatever. And then we're going to go, and afterwards, if you're really good, we'll get a donut. And then when we come home, we're going to have a good Sunday dinner. Won't that be fun? And then we'll go swimming, or we'll go watch a movie in the living room, or we'll play Monopoly or whatever. So you set the expectation now. Once you set the expectation, do what you say. Commit and stay committed. All right. So in the morning, this morning, you're going to get up and say, "Hey, good morning. Did you have a good night's rest? I'm so glad. Didn't we have fun yesterday in our family fun day?" Okay. So we're going to put on our clothes, but let's eat breakfast first because I don't want you to mess those up. So come on and go ahead and wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, wipe out the sink and hang up your towel. Go ahead and make your bed, and then come to the kitchen, and then we'll have breakfast, and then afterwards you can get your clothes on. Maybe that's the way you want to do it. You know, you're the principal, you're the CEO, you can do it. All right, so after that, everybody's eaten, then you're going to get in the car when it's time and go off to your worship, okay? After that, you're going to come home and have a wonderful day. I always like to have a big family dinner on Sunday. We usually had a roast of some type. Roast chicken, roast turkey, roast pork. Those are the kinds of things. Good vegetables, a nice casserole. Even if you're on Weight Watchers like me, you can still do those things, right? And a little dessert of some sort. And then fun time. Just a fun, casual, relaxing, regenerating, renewing time, because tomorrow it starts again. So we want to be ready. We want to feel revived, right? You're still going to do 3 clutter checks even though it's Sunday. You're still going to say in the morning after breakfast, okay, clutter check. Go around. You don't even have to say the words clutter check. Just go do it. Clutter check. Also inspect what you expect. Inspect that they do the things you expect them to do. All right? And then guide them, because that's what you are. You're a guide. Discipline is simply teaching them to be a disciple, right? To be have a life that is ordered so that life is better for them, easier for them, nicer for them. That's what discipline is. It doesn't mean you're being cruel to your children. You're teaching them how to live life in a wonderful way. Okay, so disciple your children, right? Discipline your children, rather, in a lovely way, a guiding way, all right? So, oh, honey, you know what? These clothes don't go on the floor. They go in the thing, so put them in there. Thank you very much. Doesn't that look nicer? Yeah, roll eyes, whatever, it doesn't matter. You don't let that affect you. Teenagers are in their poor little things. They're in their hormone jail sometimes, and they just do that. They don't really mean it. On the inside, they love you very much. They just have a hard time sometimes. So you just be nice. You're not sugary sweet. You're just nice, and you're firm, and you mean what you say. All right, so the next thing is clutter check. So don't say clutter check, because then they'll say, oh gosh, just clutter check. Just go look for clutter and say, hey, babe, you know what? You didn't even know you left this here. I know you didn't. Would you make sure I didn't leave anything because you inherited it from me? Let's make sure. Let's check each other. And you just go check everybody's things, because we do leave things that we don't even know that we're leaving. So that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. I hope you have a wonderful week this week. And always remember that you are beautiful. Mwah. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.